Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I have specially designed this video for a student and for those people who are preparing for exam, competition and higher studies. My video agenda is to highlight areas where we should focus more and improve more. At the same time, it will also help you to analyze that how you should spend your day, and at the same time I will try to emphasize more on productivity and efficiency. In this video I will go very slow and try to cover few important points which you should know in order to optimize your day. In other words, this video will definitely help you to focus more on your daily productivity and how you should organize your day in order to achieve maximum efficiency. This is very good for students and for those people who are preparing for studies or who are preparing for competition and higher studies. Hope you will enjoy this session, and let's get started. I have divided this video into 4 different sections. My first step is actually quick assessment. In this section, we will focus mainly on the activities that we are performing daily and how it is impacting or relating to our productivity. In other words, this assessment will help you to understand where exactly you are spending your time, whether or not that hour is effective and productive. At the same time, at the end of the day, what is the outcome of your activity? It is very much important to understand the assessment part of our day because a lot of us start our day as a routine. It is important to understand that every day has to be planned, and every day we should realize and understand and conclude what we are trying to achieve. In other words, if we are not having a target for each day, that means we are not focused and we are not even thinking about a daily efficiency. As a student, planning is very important in our daily routine. Lot of us as a student do not plan or do not focus more on our daily planning and spend our day as a routine. In other words, if you see yourself in a situation of exam or when you have a monthly test, you are more focused, more organized and more planned in order to achieve success in your exam. At the same time, if you do this or repeat this activity throughout the year so that you can be more organized. This is why I have taken this topic explicitly in this video so that we understand the importance of planning and how effectively it can add more value to our daily routine. Trust me, by understanding the importance of planning, you will not only have a clarity of your day, but it will also help you to have better efficiency in your daily routine. Now we understand the word planning very well. Let's try to understand list of activities more in depth. In this discussion, we try to emphasize more on the importance of activities and again try to understand that how it adds value to our daily routine. Please remember, in this video or in this session, we are mainly focusing on our daily productivity or daily activity. Okay, let me again explain the word activities here. So what I was trying to explain you in this section is that there can be two kind of activities and it is very common. One is known as planned, another is known as unplanned. So basically the activities which we have visualized or which we have already accounted or which we want to perform as a part of our planning, especially for our day, known as planned activities. And the activities which we have not visualized, which we have not planned, but again those are the activities are part of our day, are known as unplanned activities. Hope so far it is clear to you. Now we have understand planning and list of activity. It is also very much important to understand priority. So far we discuss and understand that what are the kind of list of activities or what kind of activities are. So we can quickly categorize into two parts. One is known as planned and other is known as unplanned activity. When I say planned activities are those which we have already identified and already have a clear target or want to achieve in the day, and those are the item we want to pick first. But at the same time, it is quite possible in our entire day we may end up getting some surprise or getting some item which we need to pick at the runtime. Example, you were in a class and you did not notice or you did not hear an additional assignment which you need to submit on the next day, and somehow your friend notified you that he is working on to it and he need your help, and at that point of time you realize that you have missed something and you have not accounted as a planned activity. So that become an unplanned activity for you because you have not picked that task. But at the same time, it is also important to pick that task because that become now a priority for you. So this priority or this heading will definitely help you to prioritize list of activity. As I said, list of activity can be easily categorized into two parts. One is planned and unplanned, but at the same time it is also important to rank each activity based on priority. I hope so far it is clear to you, and going forward or in this session I'm also going to pick one example so that you can understand the concept end to end. So far we understand planning, list of activities and priority. Let's now focus on the day plan. So a typical day plan will look like a combination of planned and unplanned activity based on priority. I give a pause and repeat again that my typical day plan will look very simple in the form of planned and unplanned activity based on priority. I hope so far I am clear and you are able to understand the basic detail or the concept behind planning, list of activity and priority.